Epsom salt is a natural mineral that was first discovered in Epsom, England. People typically use Epsom salt in the bathroom to relieve aches and pains or internally as a laxative. But it's also a garden additive that expert gardeners swear by. It can help you produce lush, healthy plants, flowers, and trees. Here are 7 amazing reasons to use Epsom salt in your garden. 1. Make fruit sweeter. Epsom salt, when added to trees, bushes, and vines that produce fruit, boosts the chlorophyll inside the plant. When plants have more chlorophyll, they have more energy. When they have more energy, they produce more sugar. More sugar means sweeter fruit for you to enjoy. 2. Tree stump remover. Tree stump removal can be costly, but if you don't have the money to get the stump removed, let Epsom salt come to your rescue. Simply drill a few holes into the stump and fill the holes with Epsom salt. In weeks, the stump will begin rotting. 3. Epsom salt increases nutrient absorption. Many commercial fertilizers add magnesium to help plant roots take up vital nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur. For those using all organic materials to feed their gardens, adding Epsom salt to soil will improve absorption naturally, eliminating the need for processed chemical fertilizers. 4. Lush lawn fertilizer. If your lawn isn't lush and beautiful, it probably needs a little magnesium in its life. To perk up grass, add 3 pounds of Epsom salt to every 1,250 square feet of grass, and then water your lawn. 5. Beautiful blooming roses. Ever wonder why your neighbor's rose bushes are fuller than yours and sport so many more blossoms? It's highly likely that the answer is Epsom salt. Epsom salt to rose bushes encourages them to produce larger flowers with darker, deeper colors. To incorporate Epsom salt to your rose bush's diet, add it at the time of planting and when the flowers are in bloom. 6. Keeps leaves green. Plants that aren't getting enough magnesium can be identified by their yellowing leaves. This is because magnesium is an essential component in the production of chlorophyll. Try sprinkling Epsom salt around your plants to achieve healthier foliage. About 1 tablespoon per 12 inches of height once a month will benefit the plants in your vegetable garden, as well as any trees, shrubs, flowers, and grasses you want to green up. And 7. Produce abundant nightshades. Many people enjoy growing plants from the nightshade family, such as peppers, tomatoes, eggplants, and potatoes. All nightshades need a lot of magnesium so that they produce greater yields. Epsom salt also helps improve the flavor of nightshades. To ensure the nightshades you grow in your home garden are abundant and tasty, add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt to your peppers and tomatoes by sprinkling it around the base of the plant. If you want the salt to dissolve more quickly, add it to a gallon of water and water the plants with the mixture. You should continue to add the Epsom salt to your plants every 2 weeks. Now, if you have any better ideas and suggestions of using Epsom salt in your garden, please share them in the comments below.